In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs to create realistic AI voices. I'll walk you through the voice library, how to design and clone new voices, and explain the key settings like speed, stability, and style. By the end, you will know how to generate voices for your videos, podcast, or storytelling projects. If you'd like to try ElevenLabs, just click the link in the description to get started. Let's dive right in. First up, you need to go to the website, that's ElevenLabs.io, or simply click on the link in the description down below to get started. And you are introduced to the home page. Now, there is some sample text here that you can go ahead and try to listen to just to get a taste of the platform, but we are going to get started right away. Now, you might find the dashboard a bit intimidating with lots of options, but don't worry, I'll break it up for you. Now, right off the bat, here you have some insights. You have the latest voices from the voice library that you can use in your projects. And to see more voices, simply click here on the voices tab from the menu on the left. Here you can see some trending voices. And if I click on any of them, I can go ahead and listen to it.
It wasn't the storm that changed her. It was the quiet afterward. The still.
"The ring!" exclaimed Frodo. "Has he left me that?"
Okay, sounds pretty good. From there, also you can create a voice, but we'll get to that in a minute. Let's sort the voices to find the one that we want to use. You can sort them by trending, latest, most users, and characters used. If I go here to most users, I'll find the most popular voices, each with the number of users who used it. If I listen to this one, for example, Mark.
I think this is a really nice way to just talk
Yeah,
naturally.
I probably heard this one before. If you want a voice that sounds a bit new, try going to the latest voices. These are the latest voices added with the least number of users. If I go and listen to this one, for example,
A conservative soul finds
this one,
The spirit of the game.
this one.
From creeks and
Yeah, these are all new voices for me. So using one from the latest voices in your YouTube channel is a good idea since they will sound new and fresh. Actually, I like this Leslie sassy cowgirl voice. Now, to use the voice, if you want to use it, simply go and click on the plus here to add to your voice library so you can choose it later in your projects. Okay, it's now added. Now you have more actions here. You can copy the voice link, copy the voice ID, or view similar voices. Now, if you don't find the right voice that you want, simply go ahead to create or clone voice. And here you have a few options. You can design a voice by entering the details of what you want the voice to sound like. You can get instant voice cloning, but you need a paid plan for this one. Or you can get a professional voice clone with more requirements to clone a better version of your voice. Basically, cloning your voice will get a copy of your voice added to the voice library that you can use for your videos or your podcasts. I'm going to go ahead and design a voice. As you can see here, I need to enter a prompt describing how the voice will sound like. You need to remember here that the three most important aspects you need to add are the nationality or the language, the age, and the sex. So if male or female, the age and the nationality. I'm going to try to go ahead and add a deep, middle-aged American woman with energetic, passionate voice. Okay, and here you have some examples if you want to go ahead and try them. I'm going to click here on Generate Voice. It took a few seconds and it generated 3 copies of the voice here. Let's listen to them.
Well, hello there. So glad you could make it.
Well, hello there. So glad. Well, hello there.
Okay, I like the one in the middle best, so click on it.
Hello.
And then select the voice. I need to add some details like the name, the value, and description. Name, let's name her Karen. And the value here, I'll just choose English. Okay, and then save the voice, and it'll be saved to my library. Okay, now that we added some voices to our library, let's go ahead and use them. The first option I want to show you is the text-to-speech. Probably the most used feature and the one that ElevenLabs is most known for. text-to-speech, where you basically enter a text and generate a speech using the voice that you want here from the Voices library. And you can get started with some ready-made like paragraphs or text here as you see. I'll just type in a simple phrase like the video and subscribe to the channel. And you have some options here on the right. I'll get to them in a second. But you simply need to generate the speech. Click on generate speech.
Like the video and subscribe to the channel.
And as you can see, it generated the speech with the default voice, which is Rachel. I don't like it. I want to change it. Here, as you can see, I have Karen that I created and I have Leslie that I saved. Let's try the Karen voice. Click on Karen and let's click on generate once again.
Like the video and subscribe to.
Okay, now I'm getting something. Let's try the Leslie voice. Click generate once again.
Like the video and subscribe.
And as you can see, I can generate the text that I type with any voice that I want. And here you have the model that ElevenLabs will use. By default, it's set to version 2, which is the high quality. However, they have a powerful new version, which is version 3, that has some amazing features that I'll get to in the video. So make sure to follow till the end. For now, I'll just stick to version 2. And here you have some important parameters to edit for the style that you want. Let's start with the speed slider. This slider controls how fast or slow the voice actually speaks. Think of it as the pacing dial. If I move the slider more towards the faster side, the voice will pick up speed and sound more energetic. Let's try it. Click on regenerate.
Like the video and subscribe to the channel.
It sounds like someone is talking in a hurry. If I move it towards the slower side, the speech will stretch out and sound calmer and more deliberate. Let's try it.
Like the video and subscribe to the.
So basically, this is where you set the rhythm of how the AI talks. I do recommend setting the value between like 1 or 1.01 to make the speech more natural. But of course, you can change the settings and set the rhythm that you want. Next, we have the stability slider. This one is all about how consistent or expressive the voice sounds. If I slide it all the way to more stable, the voice will stay smooth and steady. Let's go ahead and try it.
Like the video and subscribe to the channel.
As you can see, it's more calm, but it might lose some emotion and sound a little flat. And we don't want this. On the other hand, if I move it towards more variable, the voice will start to add more natural ups and downs, or like more emotions, more human-like quirks to the voice. But sometimes it can get unpredictable. Let's try it.
Like the video and subscribe to the channel.
You get the idea. So it's basically the balance between robotic consistency and natural expressiveness. I do recommend keeping it at 50% unless you want a more stable voice. In this case, get it up a bit, or more variability, in which case you can decrease it, but don't get it below 30%. For the similarity, this slider controls how closely the generated voice matches the original reference voice that you are cloning or using. If I push it towards high, the AI works hard to stay very faithful to the original speaker's tone and sound. Let's try it.
Like the video and subscribe.
If I slide it towards low, the voice starts to drift away from the reference, and it won't sound as much like the original person. Let's go ahead and give it a try.
Like the video and subscribe.
So similarity is really the accuracy dial for voice cloning. I like to keep it at 75%, which is the default, which gives me a nice balance. But of course, you can go ahead and try different values to set it to the tone that you like. And finally, the style exaggeration. This one is about how dramatic or neutral the delivery is. If I move it towards exaggerated, the voice will really play up the style. Let's see.
Like the video and subscribe to the channel.
It has more emphasis, more emotion, almost like an actor performing. If I pull it back towards none, the voice becomes plain and straightforward with no added flair.
Like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Here you go. So this is basically where you decide if you want a natural narrator style or something with more personality. For me, I like to set it in the middle, so it gets a nice balance. Finally, the speaker boost amplifies and modifies the speech, so I like to keep it turned on. Now let me show you the new features in version 3. Basically, the two features I want to highlight are the ability to have dialogues right into ElevenLabs instead of in the past or in version 2, you had to generate each person or each character separately and then put them together in your editing software. With this, I can add more speakers and create a more natural dialogue. Okay, let's add the second speaker. And now all I need to do is to add like 2 sentences, and I can also in version 3 add emotions to make the voice sound more natural. And here, as you can see, I set up a simple dialogue between 2 characters. Let's give it a try.
Have you checked Digibase Media channel on YouTube? I just found it and it has some amazing tutorials.
Yes, I've been a subscriber for a long time. Their videos are great. You should subscribe too.
And let's listen for the second generation or the other generation.
Have you checked Digibase Media channel on YouTube? I just found it and it has some amazing tutorials.
Yes, I've been a subscriber for a long time. Their videos are great. You should subscribe too.
Sounds pretty amazing. Now, the one that you like, you can go ahead and download it to use it in your projects. Unfortunately, in version 3, it doesn't have as many control. You only can control the stability, and you have the stability slider, as you can see. Now, moving on, you have the voice changer. You can go ahead and upload your audio file or record audio right here, and you can change it to another voice from the voices library. Let's go ahead and give it a try. I'm gonna record it here. And let's start. Hey guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this one. Okay, let's listen to it. Hey guys, don't forget to like the video. Sounds pretty amazing, of course. Now let's try to choose another voice. And if you don't find the voice that you're looking for, maybe you can choose another filter. Okay, I'll choose all saved voices. And here I have the Leslie voice. Let's go ahead and generate.
Hey guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos.
And it did change my voice while keeping the same tone and spacing. Pretty cool, huh? And you also have the same controls right here. And also you can remove the background noise, but I'll get to that in a second. Here you have another cool feature, the sound effects, where you can see and use some ready-made sound effects and even create your own. Okay, so let's try some.
ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs.
Okay, now let's try to create a sound effect. An alien UFO landing. Okay, let's go ahead and click. And it gives me 4 versions. I'm gonna go ahead and listen to them. Okay, I like the third one best. I can go ahead and download it as an MP3 or a WAV file. Finally, let's check the voice isolator here, which is simply a noise remover. You can upload or record an audio and remove the background noise. I'm just gonna try to add some background noise and record my audio. Hey there, I added some noise. I don't know if you can hear me right. And let's try to isolate the voice. Hey there, I added some noise. I don't know if... And as you can see, it did a pretty good job isolating my voice from the background noise. Now, a final feature that I want to cover is the studio, where you can record audiobooks like full chapters. You can create a podcast. You can convert a URL to audio or add sound effects and music. Let's check that. You can upload your video and it'll open up in an editor right within ElevenLabs, and you can add or create sound effects, add audio, and be able to convert your text to speech right within the editor. I'm going to go ahead, for the sake of this video, to start a new empty video project. And as you can see, you have your editor panel. You can drag your video here. You can type in or paste a text here and generate an audio or voice. And you can also add sound effects right here and combining it all into one video. Let's go back. And to create a new audiobook, I'll just want to show you, you can drag an EPUB, PDF, text, or HTML, or a Word file and choose the voice, and it'll generate the full audio file for the audiobook, which is pretty cool. Creating a podcast is similar. However, you can set the format to a conversation or a bulletin, and you can choose the duration. Basically, you have more control. And finally, you can paste a URL and it'll generate the text within this URL to a voice using the voice from the voice library. And there you have it. As you can see, ElevenLabs does it all, generating the right voices, sound effects, and even enabling you to mix it all and upload your video, to mix it all into one great video ready to be uploaded to YouTube. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel for more awesome tutorials like this one. See you all in the next video.